Hello again, this is Brodie, back for Dance Diaries number 3. So, thank you to all my loyal viewers, and whatever, you're my friends, whoever's watching, we're friends, so thanks. This is The Sound, aka John M. Perkins Blues, yes, by Switchfoot. It's not Switchfoot. Switchfoot from Hello Hurricane. The album Hello Hurricane. I always seem to need to specify, even though I think you get the gist. You can just look up The Sound and you'll probably find it. Actually, no, you'll probably find a 1975 song that's not as good as the Switchfoot song. Just kidding, that's subjective. Okay, Dance Diary number 3, The Sound by Switchfoot. Let's rock out.
The static comes alive.